G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 18, 2023. This is the US dollar DXY update. We've got here the daily, the 4 hourly and the hourly. So you can see here on the daily and the 4 hourly is still in pretty strong downtrend, although the hourly is broken to the upside on the CCI moving average 400. So is that a potential reversal, or is that going to be a continuation of a downtrend? Well, let's try and work it out. On the daily, first off, we've got this key support at 10.050, and it's bounced off that a couple of times. And we've got this key resistance at 11.472. That's a way off at the moment, not to worry about. But at the moment, we've got this diagonal descending trend line in the more nearer term, and the price is potentially reaching back to that level. Now, I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement here. You can see here initially bounced near the 38% level and bounced to the downside. And we always respect these Fibonacci levels. It's either going to be a breakthrough to the reversal or break to the downside, or in this case, and continuation of the trend. Notice also the CCI is broken to the downside, and that's causing a bit of bearish movement here as well. On the 4-hour chart, I've also drawn these diagonals. It looks a bit messy, but there's a reason for it. This nearer term diagonal descending line, it's come and bounced off that quite nicely since we drew it back along those tops recently, and it's now respected that diagonal descending line. That's in alignment with the CCI, still in a bearish movement. So where are we now? Let's go to the hourly chart. Now in the nearer term, I've got this Fibonacci retracement between that high and that low, and you can see there it's just punched through the 61% and also above that descending trend line, but it's now trending down along that descending trend line quite nicely. Remember, we drew this back some time ago along those tops, and it's now respected that trend line as well. But also importantly, this 61% potential reversal. Now, it's, as I said, it's punched through the 61% ever so lightly. Now, it may continue to the downside, or it may move to the upside from here and then test this next diagonal ascending line. Notice on the hourly chart, on the hourly CCI, the moving average has turned up, but that's again a very minor move compared to the overall trend. So again, looking at the overall 3 timelines, the daily, the 4 hourly, they're still in a pretty strong downtrend. So we need to see it definitely break above this 61% on the hourly chart before taking more confident, before considering any long positions at least. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like us on Patreon. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.